Hello, namaste and good day everyone. I Rohit Madan welcome all our viewers to our latest video with comprehensive insights into different aspects of Polymer Products Bazaar. This video is our today's edition of Polymer Bazaar News, which is exclusively sponsored by Samak Enterprise, a 20 plus years old polymer trading house based in Ahmedabad. Samak Enterprise deals with all kinds of polymers and has carved out a niche of its own in the plastic raw material industry due to its quality offerings.
Today we will share the latest development, weekly report and future trend of PP for first week of December 22. Starting with propylene monomer in Europe, and on FD Northwest Europe basis, propylene monomer assessed stable at €910 per metric ton. On CIF Northwest Europe basis, propylene monomer assessed stable at €885 per metric ton. Now moving to Asia. On CFR China basis, propylene monomer assessed stable at $890 per metric ton. On FOB Korea basis, propylene monomer assessed stable at $855 per metric ton. Now commencing with international bazaars. Firstly, in the USA, during the week, PP trading in the major US plastic raw material bazaars was moderately active. Open bazaar sellers have had ample stocks with them, and some of them lowered the spot prices to attract buyers. Latest overseas offers are assessed stable in the range of $990 to $1,015 per metric ton FAS Houston. Now moving to Europe. On FD Northwest Europe basis, current import offers quoted lower at Euro 1260 to 1270 per metric ton. Contract prices for propylene assessed lower at Euro 30 per metric ton for December 22. Now heading to Middle East, FOB basis. Latest offer assessed lower at $870 to 880 per metric ton. Then after FEA CIF basis, prevailing notations assessed lower at $890 to 900 per metric ton. Now coming to China Bazaar. During our assessment of Chinese PP bazaars this week, we observed subtle indications that pointed out possibilities of the bazaar seeing good days in the coming days. International PP suppliers have continued to formulate game plans to incite processors in China to import their offers. The converter community continued to resist the current import offer levels, so the international exporters have collected bids to figure out the acceptance level among the processor community in China. The re-emphasis of lockdown in China has again eroded the buying confidence, but that is likely to be temporary. Due to the expected activities in the China bazaars, optimism is rife among Southeast Asian producers. During the recent past, many producers sold good volumes to Chinese buyers, and some producers have held back their allocation to China in the hope of the prices going up in country in the next few days. On an important note, a dependable analysis of the PP price curve in the coming days could be made from expected price trajectory of propane prices. Contract prices of propane, a key input for PP production, are expected to rise in December 22. So the implications are clear. PP producers will have to push up their PP prices to cover up the rising input cost. Now before we proceed for Indian Bazaar, you're requested to like and share this video, and if you are new to this channel, please subscribe our channel Polymer Bazaar. Also hit the bell icon to get notification for next insightful videos on polymers price. Now Indian Bazaar. The changing bazaar weather in India seems to be visible in the recent overseas offers, which have moved up to $980 to 985 per metric ton CIF Nava Shiva. The rising global price references and stronger buying tendency are the drivers of the offer price movement. Latest rate revision. Reliance has rolled over PP prices with effect from 1st December 22. Now custom exchange rate. Effective 2nd December, Government of India has slashed the custom exchange rate to 82 per US dollar. Now let's have a look at Mumbai Open Bazaar rates, rupees per kg plus GST. PP Raffia 92.50, PP lamination 96.50, film TQ 95.50, injection molding 92.50, co-poly 98, random 103.75. Now finally about buying pulse, the resumption of buying is enforced. There has been an air of belief blowing over the Indian PP bazaars that carried the message of a possible PP price rebounding process in action. From what we saw, it seems that the buying interest can strengthen in the coming days. Readers will recall that we have already alerted them in our previous report that everything now depends on the Chinese bazaar dynamics. If demand strengthens in China and other global bazaars, The commodity prices will start an upward journey and processors will see a U-turn in the pricing strategy of the local producers. Last but not the least, purchase opinion. Based on the price governing factors and the overall bazaar climate, we advise buyers to monitor all the price governing factors closely. For now, polymer procurement is advised at the current levels. This is all for today's news telecast. I am Ankita Surana signing off. Till then, please take care of yourself. Good day.